Hi! Hello world! Let's go throwback! This is Michele when he lose his patience. It can happen that you lose patience, but the actor seems to forget a VIP rule. As long as there is a paparazzi following you, you count for something. The unwritten rule is true that if paparazzi following you, it means the public is interested on you. For celebrity, without paparazzi, you are just sealing your fate. Here are some old newspaper articles about Michele when he conquests a woman. But the problem, these are the early stage of marriage of Michele with Ruba. If you are in the shoes of Ruba, the legal wife, what would you feel? Don't forget to write your comment, your reaction below. Thank you Novella Italy Magazine for the article. Good day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.